I got about 30 more minutes before Nathan leaves for work. I fed the baby. Nathan's gonna like burp him and change him and stuff. While I take a second to get ready, and then Nathan will leave for work and Jax will wake up any minute after that. So yeah, just gonna get myself together here. So it's Nathan's first day back at work, and we completely didn't even realize until last night that it's actually the perfect week for him to try to go back to work, because I don't know when I'm posting this, but when I'm filming this, it's the Monday of Thanksgiving week, and he gets Friday and Thursday and Friday off this week. So he's going back to work on a week that's just a 3-day working week anyway, which is perfect, you know, like it's a great way to like ease into him going back to work. The baby's about 2.5 weeks old. And this company actually gives an entire month off for paternity leave, but we just don't really feel like we need it, and he can take those days kind of whenever he wants for the first year of the baby's life. So he took 2 weeks, and then he's going to take like random days off here and there to like go with me to Oliver's first appointments and to go with me to my 6-week appointment, and stuff like that. So that's a little bit more like important to us than him just staying home to help me, because I would rather have him help me like drive to those appointments and stuff, because this is our first winter in Wyoming. So you know, the weather's crazy. There's like so much snow already. The wind, plus a toddler and a newborn going to these appointments, you know, I'd rather have him have the days off for that. So yeah, we're gonna see, I'm gonna vlog today how my first day alone goes. Not cool. You see a kitty? Cow. Doggy. Hen. Kitty, good job.
My hen.
Hen. Kitty. Good job. Oh, and I completely forgot to mention. So Jax woke up and the baby went down almost at the same time. And the baby slept for 45 minutes. So, hen. And the baby slept for 45 minutes. Hen. Kitty. Which was just enough time to like change Jax, get him ready for the day, get him breakfast. Then the baby woke up, I fed him, and now he's in the Ergo Baby and we are in the playroom. So the only thing I don't love about the Ergo Baby, and we have the Moby, I kind of use them interchangeably. I can't sit down when I'm wearing them, when I'm wearing him at all. When I sit down, he gets really uncomfortable. Thanks, baby. I got it. Oh. Okay, great. Get your booty over here. Get your booty over here. Get your booty. Get your booty. Get your booty over here. Get your booty over here. Okay, so I kind of was struggling to keep the baby asleep. He's swaddled on the couch right now, and that seems to have worked. He's been sleeping for about an hour. So for that hour, I was playing with Jax and feeding him lunch. And Jax literally just went down for his nap like 10 minutes ago. So I just quickly folded all this laundry, folded all these towels. I didn't film it because I was listening to Kendall Ray's new video while I did all of this. So I'm going to put all of this stuff away. And then I'm hoping that the baby will sleep a little bit longer so I can throw on some makeup, but we will see. Yeah, that absolutely did not happen. Right after I put away those clothes, I decided I needed to unload and reload the dishwasher, and I needed to start something in the crock pot for dinner. So that is what I did. I just started some crock pot, like white chicken chili. So I had to cut some stuff, throw a bunch of beans and corn and seasoning and chicken into the crock pot, get that going. And then right when I was done with that, I was like, okay, yeah, now I can put on some makeup. And then the baby woke up. So I nursed him, hung out with him basically until my toddler woke up. And then I was just completely occupied with both of them, just, you know, playing, chasing my toddler around while holding a newborn baby. So yeah, that is what I did basically with the nap time. The very short amount of nap time that both my kids were sleeping at the same time, I folded clothes, started dinner in the crock pot, and unloaded and reloaded the dishwasher. So yeah, that's what mom life is like. Pretty much you do what you can with the very minimal amount of time that you get. And I only wanted to include a little bit of that because it is hard to hear, but I did want to keep it really real in this video that the newborn, he just was crying a lot. And it's like that really painful sounding cry. I felt so bad. He was just so gassy. Finally, as you can see in a little clip there, I did get him to eat. And I did a lot of extra tummy time just to kind of help him get that gas out, and that seemed to help, and he finally went to sleep when I swaddled him. But yeah, it was pretty rough for the afternoon, so I didn't want to put too much of that in because again, it's hard to listen to, but I did want to keep it real. I did not do much with the afternoon because he was just so gassy basically the whole time he was awake. It was really hard, and I was just trying to get him to not be in pain and stop crying. That was the day. Hopefully it wasn't too boring. I mean, I feel like we got some good stuff done today. Like I actually got to like clean the kitchen and make dinner in the crock pot. Like that's pretty good for like 2.5 weeks postpartum with a toddler and a newborn. And we had some struggle today. Oliver's super gassy, which is totally normal for a newborn. The extra tummy time definitely helped a lot. He just was burping and farting the whole time, getting it out, and then he fell asleep. So I took a shower. That's why I'm all shined up. And please, if you're watching this, you're about to give birth, you're freshly postpartum, please, please, please shower. Take care of yourself when you're postpartum. It's so important. With my first baby, for probably the first 3 weeks postpartum, I was not taking care of myself. I was in bed all day. I barely showered. I barely got out of bed, like really just to feed the baby and pee. And that's it. And I felt like crap. And this time around, I like kind of had that in the back of my mind, and I've made it a really strong point to like get out of bed, open up the curtains, shower every day, do my skincare every morning, brush my teeth every day, morning and night. You know, you'd be surprised how much just a quick, even just a 5-minute shower will change your whole mood. Taking 5 minutes to wash your face in the morning changes my whole mood. So yeah, I'm about to go wake Oliver up from his little last nap of the day. Probably gonna be up for like 2 hours. I'm gonna, you know, do the whole baby thing, feed him, change him, hang out, feed him, change him again, go to sleep, and that is it. So if you have any questions, let me know. If you want me to keep vlogging, let me know. I just thought it would be interesting. Like, I vlogged our first week with the baby. I thought that was interesting, and then I thought it'd just be interesting to vlog my first day alone with the kids. So it went honestly really good. I think there were stressful times, there was good times, loved it all. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video very soon. Bye.